Today I'm going to empty my bag of Bartlet Rooster potatoes that I planted in early March. The reason I left them this long is because I cut them back as I wanted the potatoes to have a harder skin. So bear with me, it's the first time I've ever done a video, so hopefully I've got potatoes in there. Let's go and have a look. Right. Bear with me. I'm emptying it into a 136 litre container that I got from my local hardware store. The reason I'm tipping it into a bag is because I want to reuse the soil for my next crop of potatoes. So fingers crossed we've got some potatoes in here. There really should be a handle on the bottom of these bags. Just emptying the bottom of the bag, emptying the stones before I go through it. Now if you have a wee look, you can see there is some potatoes in there, which I'm quite delighted about. So let's have a wee look. That's not too bad, is it? Quite a good size. So I'm just going to have a wee rummage round in the bag and take out the root potatoes, and I'll get back to you and show you my... So I've had a good rummage around, and this is my crop from a bag. Not too shabby for the first time. So I'm just going to use the rest of the soil to plant my Maris pears for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye.